Alright, so after 30 years with the same refrigerator, we got Mama a new one. She's about to walk in the door. Hey.
Hey
there. Hey. Hey.
Oh my gosh! God, there's all had to eat and everything. That's the refrigerator. How you had to go with me today?
We thought the other one was old enough.
Well, yeah, maybe 50 years old.
Just 30.
Still running.
So 2 weeks ago, Daddy was in here carving out a bigger hole.
We had to have you at work that day so he could carve a bigger hole out. It's bigger?
Yeah.
And
You never did know that, did you?
And
How is it bigger?
It's a little bit wider.
Where did he do it?
He cut the wood from around the thing.
I cleaned the dishes off the table, and I think some sawdust over behind
Are you taking my picture?
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, all that screaming and hollering. We got a couple.
Yeah, you remember that day you told Daddy, you told,
Still got a Columbus? We got, oh God.
you told Daddy, you told Daddy you wish he would have done some more stuff around the house that day?
Oh yeah, no wonder he got ticked at me when I said something.
You want to tell him thank you?
Thank you.